Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn a little bit about how to import modules into Python. So Python has a lot of great built-in functions, but sometimes you need something other than what's built right into Python when you first launch it. So for instance, let's say I'm doing some work and I need to take a log 10 of something, of a number. If I just do log 10 of some number, I get an error message. I need to load something, load a function that will help me do this math. So one of the built-in Python modules is something called math. To load it, I type import and then the name of the module, in this case math. To see all of the different methods I can use under a particular module, you can type print dir and then the name of the module, and this will list out all of the methods underneath that module. So for instance, I really want to take a log 10, and you can see this is listed. Otherwise, a natural log, cosine, things like that are in this module. So now I can type the name of my module, the method that I want to use, which in this case is log 10, and then my value, and here you can see I get the number 2, which is great. So to use modules in this way, you have to type the name of the module plus your method, and perhaps this might get really long and cumbersome if you have a really long named module. If you just want to import everything from a particular module, and you just want to use the method name instead of the module dot method, you can type the following. You could do from whatever your module name is, in this case math, import, and then a star, which means everything. So now I can type log 10 of whatever number I'm interested in, and I didn't have to type math first, so that saved me some keystrokes. However, if you're uploading a lot of different modules, you might actually get some conflicting issues because the methods could be named the same thing in multiple modules that you upload, and that could be a problem. So there are two ways to get around this. First, you can only upload the method that you're interested in. So for instance, I'm using this log 10 method. What I could do is I could just type from math import log 10, and this now, if I had done this for the first time, it would have only imported the log 10 method, or whatever method I thought I was going to use. And again, you could just then type log 10 100 whatever, and this will work. Another thing you could do is you could kind of give it a shorter name. So for instance, you could type import whatever your module name is as something shorter. So here, let's import math as just m, and I could type m log 10 of 100. And this also works. And this is really good if you have really long names and you don't want to risk overwriting methods in other modules. So I hope this gave you a good introduction into importing modules into Python.